Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will check if the given age of the user is already an adult or a minor using ternary operator in C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. By the way guys, now if you want to join with my channel, kindly click the join button. It is only a way to support my channel. Thank you so much in advance for your support. Okay, so we have here class programs. I have declared int age 0. Age in this example I put 12, so the legal age that we considered an adult is 18 years old and above. So we have here the age is 12, string check underscore age greater than 18. If it is true, you are already an adult. If it is false, you are still a minor. Title of our program, age checker using ternary operator in C#. We will display here the remarks and then the given age at the age of years old, age and a program console write line and console read key. So let us run our program. So age checker using ternary operator in C#, you are still a minor at the age of 12 years old and a program. Assuming that we will change this age to 89 years old, let us save. When we run our program, age checker using ternary operator in C#, you are already adult at the age of 89 years old and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to check an age, whether it is an adult or minor, using ternary operator in C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.